Hey, Stevie, I'm wondering if you can help me out. I'm a couple fries short of a Happy Meal on this one. What is Hyland's OnBase Foundation naming convention and long-term release?
Hey, Tim. I'd be happy to help you with that. Recently, there's been some confusion on the naming convention of OnBase releases. Some of the confusion came into play with the EP1 to EP5 releases. Hyland has gathered all of the feedback from their customers and partners and felt the need to go back to simplify their naming convention. Now, future releases will match the release year. To provide an example, let's use next year. In 2023, the first major release of OnBase will be 23.1. Any of the following major releases within the same year will be 23.2, 23.3, and so on. The homepage on Hyland Community has some very useful information, not only for future releases, but previous releases as well.
For more information regarding any release, click this icon that says OnBase. Discover what's new in the latest release. Learn more. First, we will start at the interactive video gallery. Here you will find videos that provide a high-level overview of any of the OnBase releases, the value it will add to your business, in addition to an industry overview. Let's say you're unsure of what you want and you just like a high-level overview of the most recent releases. I suggest that you select General Overview and watch the video related to the release that you want to learn more about. Let's go back. Now we'll go to Release Notes. This page also offers a lot of useful information. For example, if you need a reminder on what EP1 to EP5 maps to, here's a clear distinction. EP1 is equal to 19.8. EP2 is also known as 19.12, EP3 is 20.3, EP4 is 20.8, and EP5 is 21.1. Another very useful tool on this page is a report generator. It allows you to generate a report comparing the current version of OnBase you're on with the later release you might be interested in upgrading to. The report will show you the differences between each version, such as bug fixes, interface changes, and etc. For example purposes here, let's say Naviant is on EP3 and would like to upgrade to 22.1. The system will automatically select your licensed products and other change products, but in the event that you notice that something is not checked that you do have access to, just make sure you check it so that you can get the most accurate report. Down here, you can also select what you would like to see on your report. For example, you can make your report only show you the bulletins and serious issues or enhancements. For the sake of this report, I'm going to select all 4 and generate my report. Now, it may take a little moment for your report to generate, but once it does, you'll see a lot of useful information. Within this information, at the top, you can still filter it. You can still filter it to only show interface changes or something that has a screenshot attached. You can also change the grouping results view. You can also select to export it to make it easier to view by a PDF or an Excel document. If we expand this here, you'll also be able to see more of the bulletins and serious issues. When you do, you'll see the exact issue, when it was published, you'll see whether it's fixed or not, and you'll be able to view the technical bulletin that provides more information on the issue that's at hand. Let's go back. Let's collapse this. You can also go down here to the release notes. Now with the release notes, you can see any of the software corrections or bug fixes that came out with the new version. For example, this one, users can assign workview filters as a method of expansion for external autofill keyword sets. If you hit expand here, you'll be able to see exactly which version of OnBase it was added on, also the service record that is attached to this particular bug. This information is very useful and will allow you to know what fixes or what bug corrections you can expect once you upgrade to that later version of OnBase.
Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our free training resources. And make sure that you reach out if you have any questions that you'd like featured in an upcoming episode of The Question Corner.